Review of the AquaSonic toothbrush. In this video, we're going to look at the AquaSonic's key features, the price compared to similar name brands, its ongoing costs, check out the accessories it comes with, and lastly, let you know if I, as a dental hygienist, recommend it. AquaSonic is the brand name for this sonic toothbrush. Its technology is very similar to a Sonicare, with up to 40,000 vibrations per minute. Its features include a built-in 2-minute timer, which is the correct amount of time you should spend brushing your teeth. Quadrant pacing technology, meaning that every 30 seconds it will pause, signaling you to move to a different quadrant of your mouth. It has 4 different speeds, so you can increase or decrease its intensity. It's a little quieter than a baseline Sonicare, but overall pretty similar. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, rose gold, or silver. It has wireless charging, and it has the American Dental Association's seal of acceptance. The one useful feature it does not have is a pressure sensor, a feature that's handy for aggressive brushers learning to break bad scrubbing habits. The box includes 8 soft bristle heads, which is a lot considering that most of AquaSonic's competitors only provide 1. A traveling case, which is a nice bonus, and of course the charger. Ongoing maintenance for a product is something you should really consider. Toothbrush heads should be replaced every 3 months. AquaSonic's replacement heads range between $3 and $8 a piece. That's considerably less than, say, an average Sonicare head, which tends to be between $6 and $12. Overall, the AquaSonic is the most cost-efficient product on the market, considering what it includes and its low maintenance fees. Similar brands with these features like Burst, Colgate, and some Sonicares cost nearly double. Do I recommend it? Yes. This product is going to the front of the line for toothbrushes I recommend to my patients. I never want folks to think that good oral hygiene is an extremely expensive endeavor. At less than 40 bucks, the price when I recorded this video, it is an excellent buy. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate you clicking on those like and subscribe buttons below so that I can reach more people in Google's algorithm and achieve the mission of improving oral health and hopefully help more people smile.